Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. As you can see here on the screen, I have written boring because the market is flat and dull. Yes, market is very boring today. And this is the 4 hours chart. Okay, I am in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite. Okay, so let's do the analysis first. So if you look at the chart, then we can see that overall market is in downtrend. Okay, there is no doubt about it, market is in downtrend. But if we look at this particular portion here, then we can easily see that after this big fall, okay, market is trading in a particular range right now. Okay, or rather I will say that market is trading in a tight range here. Okay, you can see that we have got market in a range. We have 1.2009 on the downside as the support, whereas 1.2148 on the upside as the resistance. Okay, uh, this thing happened because see, I have already explained in my previous videos on USD CAD, but if you're watching it for the first time, then let me explain again. Because see, this level, okay, this level is extremely important or crucial because right now market is standing at the support, and you can see that this support level belongs to the year 2017. Okay, and right now we are in the year 2021, and this belongs to the year 2017. Ah, see, this support belongs to the year 2017, okay, and we are in the year 2021. When market was falling sharply in the year 2017, market took support at this particular price level, and right now we are standing at the support level only. As a result, market is in a range right now. Market is unable to decide. Sellers are trying to push the price towards the downside, whereas buyers are still present in that price level. Buyers are there in the market who are not allowing the price to go down further, and they are trying to push the price upward. As a result, we are getting a sideways market. Okay. On the other hand, if you're thinking that why this level is important, because see, I have shown in my previous videos, that see, when market was very much bullish in the year 2015-16, okay, market fell from this particular point. This resistance belongs to the year 2016, and when market went up again in the year 2020, okay, market faced the same resistance. So if this resistance from 2016 is valid, then support is also a valid, and we can clearly see, okay, I have been shouting this thing for the past 1 month, and clearly we can see that for the last 1 month market, though there was some heavy selling pressure on the chart, just see, but still right now market is just standing at the support, and market is struggling to go up. Okay, so this is the overall analysis for US dollar, Canadian dollar. Now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should we do right now. Okay, so as we all know, in a trending market, okay, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market. Okay, so in a trending market, okay, if a market is in downtrend, we should always look for shorting opportunities, and if a market is in uptrend, we should always look for buying opportunities. Okay, and we get the opportunities at the area of value. Okay, area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. Okay, in an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support, and whereas the area of value is always at the resistance on a downtrend market. So when USD CAD was falling, okay, it was very easy for us, and we also made profit out of it because 50 moving average was acting as a resistance. Okay, so whenever market was going up, it was getting resistance, it was reversing, and we shorted the market. But things changed when market entered into a range right now. Okay, so right now, okay, the resistance of the 50 moving average is no longer valid. Okay, because see, right now market is not in a trend. Okay, it was in a downtrend, but right now market is in a range, market is sideways, and in a sideways market we get opportunities on both the side. Okay, we can short the market at the resistance, and we can go for buy order at the support. Okay, and you can clearly see on the chart that I have clearly mentioned these two levels. So right now you can see that market is trading at this particular price level. Okay, so in case market goes up, okay, market goes up and hit this particular level, then observe the price. If market reverses, then you can short the market. But remember, confirmation is important, and confirmation will be in the form of a shooting star or price rejection from above, or a red candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, this level is a valid resistance, market is struggling at the resistance, okay, try to read the market emotion, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is struggling, okay, it will not be possible for the price to cross the resistance level, then you can short the market at this level. Okay. On the other hand, if market comes down to this particular price level, again, just observe the price and act accordingly. Try to read the market emotion. If you see that price is reversing, okay, just like previous times, if you see that price is about to bounce from here, if you see a hammer kind of candlestick pattern or price rejection from below like this, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, though market is in downtrend, though sellers are dominating USD CAD, but still buyers are still present at the bottom, at the support, and they will not allow the price to go down that easily. And you can go for a buy order at this price level. Okay, so these are the two best trading opportunities in the US dollar Canadian dollar chart right now. But right now we can see that, okay, these two price levels are quite far away from each other. So what you should do right now? Okay, so if you ask me, Abhilash, what should I do right now? Then I'll say that you should avoid USD CAD, or because see, the thing is that as we all know, there is not much volatility in the market in this week. Market is kind of flat, market is kind of dull. Therefore, if there is not much movement in the market, then you should simply avoid the market, is not it? Because this is your hard-earned money. You do not risk your hard-earned money when you do not understand the chart. Because see, right now we can also see that market is also trading at a resistance. Okay, this is also a resistance level. So if we consider this as a resistance, and yes, this is a resistance level also, but market is standing at a resistance, but still market is not going down. On the other hand, market is not going up also. This is happening only because there is not much volatility in the market. And we can look at the currency strength meter. The currency strength meter is also telling us the same thing, because see, this is the scenario, this is the US dollar and this is the Canadian dollar, and you can see that almost they are of the equal strength, and whenever we get two currency pairs of the equal strength, there is not much movement in the market remains sideways, and as a result we are getting a scenario like this. So I'll say that wait for some time or avoid USD Canadian dollar for this week, because this is your hard-earned money. Do not risk your hard-earned money. Okay. And today we are going to have the ECB meeting. After the ECB meeting, we may get some volatility. Let's see. Okay. But till then, avoid US dollar, Canadian dollar, because see, right now market is standing at the support, but still it is not going down, and it is not in a mood to go up also. Okay. So in this kind of a scenario, okay, what you can do? You can do nothing. Okay. So avoid it. Avoid US dollar, Canadian dollar. Or if you want to avoid trading for this particular week, you can just drop trading for this particular week, or wait for the results to come out. So this is the analysis. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.